Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious leek and potato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 large leeks, 2 pounds of starchy potatoes, and 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, about 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Start by washing your leeks very well, as they can hold a lot of dirt. Trim off the root and the tough dark green tops, then slice the white and light green parts into thin rounds. Next, peel your 2 pounds of potatoes and cut them into roughly 1-inch cubes. This size helps them cook evenly and quickly, ensuring a smooth texture later. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to start cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your sliced leeks and sauté them gently for about 8 minutes until they are soft and translucent, but not browned. Then, add the potato cubes and pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are very tender. Once the potatoes are tender, it's time to blend. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender. Blend until it's wonderfully smooth, or leave it a little chunky if you prefer. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Reheat gently if necessary and serve warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh chives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.